What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to apply lashes. I got my lashes from my local hair store, and I'm using this star glue. And all you need is some tweezers. So I'm gonna be looking at my mirror. If I could be able to do this. But the first thing you do is take the eyelash out the thing. Take the additional glue that was out here. Okay, so now I'm applying the eyelash glue to my eyelash. I advise to not put that much eyelash glue, just the right amount, because if you put too much eyelash glue, you're gonna have a whole mess in your eye. You're gonna have glue everywhere. So just put a good amount of eyelash glue that I'm doing right now, and you wait just a couple minutes, probably about 2 to 3 minutes, and let it dry. And then you apply your eyelash. So the first thing I do when I first apply my eyelash is start with the middle. I suggest this middle personally because it's easier to do that way. And like you're seeing now, I'm pressing down both corners of my eyes to even it out. And sometimes when you do that, your eyelash is kind of higher than it's supposed to be, and all you have to do is press it down like I'm doing right now. I had glue under my eye like I was saying earlier of what happened if you apply too much eyelash glue. Alright, on to the next eyelash. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did for the first one. I'm going to let the video continue to play, and I'm going to zoom in for y'all can get a better look and have a better understanding.
On the beat.
Alright, you guys, this concludes the rest of my video. I hope y'all like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Make sure you add me and follow me on my social medias, and I'll see y'all in the next video.